and I'm back again with another one. With today's video, I'm just doing a market analysis, a market breakdown for you wonderful viewers, right? So I'm just here to share my perspective on what I think the market would do, this week, right? For the coming week that we are about to face, right? Yeah. So without further ado, let me just, hop on the chat and do a quick analysis here and there for you guys. Right, so I trade gold, only gold now. So this analysis is just going to be for gold, right? So for those of you who trade other pairs as well, if you want me to analyze your chart for you, please put it down in the comment section, and then I'll make sure to do justice to it. But for now, I'm just doing analysis for gold. So if you're interested in this, please make sure to. And also, I have a free Telegram where I post my trades and my trade updates and signals in the group. So if I'm taking any trade, and it is totally free. I don't take money for signals. I just post my trades there. So if you want to capitalize on that, make sure to join the Telegram. It is free, right? It is free. All right, so let me just get down into the video. So yeah, first of all, let's see what gold has done. What gold did last week. Last week was a bullish week, right? I'm expecting gold to, come clear this high and then get to this point. I'm actually expecting gold to break above this, but I need to see my confirmations first. So at this point, I'm not really certain, right? So this is my very top. This is my very, high here, and then this is my low here, right? But then my most recent low that was created was here, and then this was a high that was created within, right? So this is the weekly time frame, by the way. So gold has been bullish. Gold has been really bullish these past few weeks, right? From January, gold has been very bullish from January, March, literally the whole of last year. Right, so we are still expecting the bullish flow from gold, despite this. Can't really tell, right? So that is why we are here to find out. Yes, so this is a daily time frame. We find ourselves in a support and resistance situation always here, right? So this is our resistance. We have our first touch. I mean, if you pull this all the way down, we don't have enough data for that, but just the very recent one that occurred, we have a touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here. Price about to touch this one, so we know that here it is a valid area of interest, right? We have another zone somewhere here, right? And then we have another final one too somewhere here. But for the purpose of this video, you know what, let me just mark it down, right? Let me just mark it down. Yeah, let me do it like this. So this is a daily time frame. Me personally, I know price will definitely reach here. I know price will reach this point, right? So you can trade your way to this area, but then I would wait for my confirmation. So there are only two ways gold could move here, right? Gold could either reach here and continue its way to the downside, or reach here and then come to this area. So these are the two movements that we are expecting from gold. So first, gold has to get to this area of interest before we consider making our decisions based on that. But for now, let's head on to the 4-hour time frame, right? So we can clearly see on the 4-hour time frame we have a resistance zone that has been broken, right? Resistance zone that has been broken. So clearly gold broke above this resistance. We tested it and then pushed. I think this was the news that caused this, but it was a clear push. So we should be expecting gold to reach this side. So if you'll be trading this week or tomorrow, right, you can trade your way. Oh, sorry about that. So yeah, you can trade your way to this side, right? You can trade your way to this side, but then make sure to wait, find your confirmation before you continue trading, right? Before you continue trading. So again, I have a free Telegram channel, right? Check down below, you find it. Make sure to join us. I send free signals there, right? So if I find an opportunity here on the market, obviously the time now is it's 10:51. I trade only the London session, so I most of the time start looking for trade around 7. So you can, join the group. If I find the signal, I'm going to drop it free of charge. I'm not paying anything for the signal, right? So yeah. Yes, I almost forgot. We have to do a quick analysis for the fundamentals for next week. So for this week, sorry. So on Sunday, obviously, there's nothing really happening there on Sunday. Let me filter this for yeah. Yes, so on Sunday there's nothing happening. On Monday there's bank holiday, so those of you trading the JPY pairs, please be wary of that. USD, we have core PPI on Tuesday, so myself, I'll be wary of this, right? I don't like to trade fundamentals, by the way. I don't. So mostly when it's news, I try to stay away from them. I don't have an edge there, so I really try and stay away from it. But for my viewers, I may do some quick analysis here and there for you guys. GBP, Tuesday we have CPI, and Wednesday we have CPI for both GBP and USD. So yeah, and also Thursday we have odd has employment change. There's news there, GBP, and then also so Thursday there's series of news from 12 a.m. down to 1:30 p.m. There's news all over, right? So please also be wary of that. And then Friday, so this week is packed. From Monday, it is super packed. So traders, make sure to check your news before you check, for these things before you trade, right? So yeah, I'm going to end here. Right, we'll meet again. I'll be dropping another video on Wednesday. That'll be like a midweek analysis, right? To talk about, how the week is going so far for us. And this is just to help you, analyze your market, right? If you want a full breakdown and, finding entries and all that, please let me know. I'll drop a video, helping you guys how I find my entries in the market, right? I'll share that video with you guys. But yeah, for now, just join the Telegram, right? And then let's make money together. Yeah. Bye bye. Have a wonderful rest of the week.